Well, we are starting back and we're digging our cross footers now. So we got this going, and we got the footer guy, foundation guy here. Sorry, he's pulling in as well too. So we're getting this thing going. So stay tuned and keep watching today. Hopefully we'll make some good progress. Making some progress. They got the forms coming on here. We're still digging up the cross footers over here. So hopefully we'll get some more work done, and hopefully we'll get some foundations done today. So pretty cool. Pretty good. We got all those walls up already. We got our footer up over here. And we got to do a spread footer on top up here, and then we got our cross footer coming around the corner here. So we're looking pretty good. Getting some work done, and sorry we're not doing very many videos. We're just trying to keep things moving along. So letting the guys do the foundation walls and try to get our stuff done too. So keep sticking around, and hopefully we'll show you the final product here soon. All right, we got a bucket right there for water sewer line coming out. We got another one up here. So, and this is our footer. Sorry about the banging around and stuff, but we're trying to get stuff done today. Here's our other sewer line exit. That one over the other side is going to be just for a garage drain. So it doesn't have to be as good as this one right here. This is going to be our main sewer line coming out of the house. So we got that done. And then we're going to get some rebar put in here for our height, and we get going. So stay tuned, guys. All right, well, we got the concrete truck here. We got the pump truck here. We're gonna try to get this thing going. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hey, look at this pump truck, man. That is freaking awesome. There you go. Let's see if we get a different angle on here. All right, here we go. We'll get a little different angle here. No, we got everything ready to go. We got all the spread footers, and we got the frost footers, and we got the foundation wall all ready to go up here. And now we got the pump truck here, and we're ready to get this thing poured. So we're doing some frost footers in here, and then we're going to do an ICF wall, just a little step wall on top of there. So if you're thinking it's a little short, it's not. It's about just perfect. So looks pretty awesome. We got a little doorway opening over there, so stay tuned. We'll keep recording. Camden running the cart. Guys are out here doing it, but they're making sure that wall's straight. They're looking up here. That is pretty dang straight, but I want to try to stay the other way. They're getting ready to do the footing, so I'm going to go over there and help them. That way we can get that done. Got real busy a while ago, so we didn't get to do a bunch of videoing, but hey, look, we got the frost footers poured. We got the little wall right here. So what we're going to do is right on top of these walls right here, we're putting an ICF wall on top of that to bring it up to the full final grade. So that way we can have our 24 inches or more, actually probably be about 26 inches fully depth in there. But no, we've got these footers all poured and we're good. The guys left on the foundation wall. They done a great job. So hi Breder, if you guys need somebody locally, man, hi Breder, he's a good guy. He'll get you set up and get you done. So he got in here this morning, got the foundation wall set up and poured on the same day. So the pump truck, that was awesome. They did a great job on pumping and kept it moving along. So you guys, appreciate you guys following along. If you guys don't mind, like, subscribe, and put some comments out there. Let me know if you guys do things a little differently. All right, well, we're finishing up some of this. We're floating this off using a mag to do this, trying to teach my son a little bit how to do this. We got a little bit of a hole in there, so he's filling that in. But I appreciate you guys following along, man. this is a big accomplishment here. This is right before I have surgery on my knee next week, so it was just opportune time to get this thing done and get it in before I had to go do that surgery. So trying to teach the boy a little bit of stuff. He's never done this. I'm not no expert at it either, but we're trying our best. So I appreciate you guys following along. Folks, well, good morning. The foundation guys already came in this morning and picked up their forms, and they're already gone. But no, this wall looks awesome. Everything looks good. We've already started doing some work stripping down the forms. We got to get everything squared up, and we got to get our ICFs over there. But no, this wall turned out really awesome. I haven't pulled a string on it to see how straight it is, so I'm just hoping that it's really straight and it looks good, but I'm suspecting it is. So here's our little safe room right here. As you can see, it's pretty cool. So this would be like our little tornado shelter if we have to get in from a tornado or something like that, since we're really going to be, this house right here is all going to be on slab. So didn't really have a basement per se. I mean, this wall right here is going to be earth contact with the garage on this side. Oh, by the way, here's a view from the back side. So that looks pretty cool. See the dead man's right there. They capped those things down about 18 inches and it's looking pretty good. But hey, it looks really good. I appreciate you guys following along so far. If you guys want to see more content of us building our house and getting this barn dominion style house built, please make sure you guys follow and subscribe. And until next time, God bless y'all.